think Mommy knows the words. They call the rising sun. Are you ready, video?
No.
And I'm teaching my daughter a song about a whorehouse.
That's some excellent parenting.
Yeah. Alright. There is. Okay, you do.
Come down.
No house in New Orleans.
She's singing the Calm Down song.
Calm down. I don't know.
When you feel too mad, first thing you do
is calm down. Good job.
Hooray!
You're a good player. You know that? Good job. I think it's almost time for a pat.